Alright, so today we're doing hyperbolas, which is 12.4, section 12.4. Today's objectives are to use the distance formula to find the constant sum, write the equation of a hyperbola, and to graph the hyperbola. Alright, and you'll notice that these are the same objectives almost that we had last time when we did ellipses. And we're going to have a very, very similar lesson to our last lesson, which is where we did the ellipses. Okay, so hyperbola and ellipses are going to work very similar. The first thing we'll cover is using the distance formula. Okay, so we'll come over here using the distance. Oops, let me go back to the heading. We're using the distance formula to find the constant sum of a hyperbola. Okay, so just like we did with ellipses. Now, when I did this with ellipses, you'll notice that a slight difference in my formula. We're still using the distance formula. The difference is that when I did this with ellipses, I added my two distance formulas, whereas with hyperbolas, I'm going to subtract. All right, so you'll see it says distance d equals, those are absolute value signs. Okay, those are important. The absolute value between the point for the focus 1 minus the point to focus 2. So now it does matter what order I put them in. So we're going to say distance equals square root minus square root. Well, focus 1. Well, focus 1 is this one. So I'm going to say, all right, my point is 4 minus negative 5 squared minus, plus 0. All right, no other way. There we go. 0 minus 0 squared. Okay. And over here, I'm going to use my second focus point, which is going to be 4 minus 5 squared plus 0 minus 0 squared. Well, 4 minus negative 5 is the same thing as 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So I have 9 squared plus 0 squared. Of course, square root. Minus 4 minus 5 is 1 squared plus 0 squared. And of course, the zeros just go away. I don't really need those. So I have 9 squared, and then I'm taking the square root. Well, I know that my square root and my square cancel out. I'm just going to make sure that number's positive. Well, the number's already positive, so 9 squared is 81. Square root it, I get back to 9 minus 1 squared is 1, square root back to 1. So I get 9 minus 1, which is 8. So my constant sum for this one would be 8.